If you are thinking about selling online courses, memberships, or digital product, you might have heard about Kajabi. Kajabi is one of the all-in-one platforms many creators use to build their online business. But is it really worth the investment? In this video, I will review Kajabi in simple terms, explain its pros and cons, and help you to understand the pricing so you can decide if it fits your business or not. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and help you pick the right tools without confusion. If that sounds good to you, make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to use the links in the description to check the special offers and discounts. By using the description links, any savings they will be applied automatically so you get the best value without extra effort. First, let's talk about what Kajabi really is. Kajabi is an all-in-one platform that lets you create and sell online courses, membership sites, coaching programs, and digital products. It includes tools for building your website, creating landing pages, running email marketing, setting up the sales funnels, and collecting payments all from one dashboard. This means you don't have to use many different platforms or tools and connect them together yourself. It's all in one place. One of the biggest advantages of Kajabi is that you can launch and manage your entire business from one platform. You can design a course with videos and downloads and set up the drip content so lessons are released over time, and even include the quizzes and community areas where your students can interact. The website and funnel builders are drag and drop, which makes it easier for beginner to use without any coding skill. Kajabi also has built-in email marketing and automation tools, so you can send newsletters, automated sequences, and behavior based on emails without needing a separate tool like MailChimp or ConvertKit. You can track how many people open your emails, click links, and sign up for products all inside Kajabi. Another benefit is the payment and checkout system, which integrate with Stripe and PayPal. Kajabi does not itself take transaction fees, so you only pay the usual payment processor fee. This helps you to keep more of your earnings when you sell courses or memberships. Kajabi also includes support and the community features. You get access to the tutorial, webinar, and support resources, as well as a community of other creators where you can learn and share the ideas. This is especially useful for beginners who are learning how to run an online business. Now, let's talk about the pricing and some things to consider before you choose the Kajabi. One common downside is that many users mention is the higher pricing compared to other platforms. Kajabi plans to start with the Kickstart tier. Basically, this gives you a basic set of tool and limited contacts. Then there are plans like Growth and the Pro plan, each offering more product, funnel, email contacts, and advanced feature like affiliate management, custom code editor, and many more. For beginner, the pricing can feel high, especially if you are just testing your first course or have a small audience. While you get many features in one place, other platforms like Podia, Thinkific, or Teachable, they may be more affordable if you only need simple course hosting or email tools. And another drawback is Kajabi doesn't offer any free plan. Only a trial period, usually around 2 weeks or sometimes extended offers. You can use the link from description for extended offers. This means you must choose a paid plan after the trial if you want to keep using the platform. While Kajabi's interface is designed to be beginner friendly, some users find that the learning curve or advanced features like automation and the funnels, they can take some time to master. In other words, you can start easily, but becoming a Kajabi expert may require patience and learning. Another thing to consider is design and flexibility. Kajabi offers many template and customization options, but you want ultra unique or custom design, platform like the WordPress, they may offer deeper control. In summary, Kajabi is a powerful all-in-one platform for creators who want to build their course, membership sites, and digital products with integrated marketing tools. Its biggest strength are simplicity, all-in-one convenience, and professional feature that save you from juggling multiple tools. The main downside are the higher price, limit on lower plan, and the learning curve for advanced tools. So that's it basically for today's video about Kajabi. Thank you so much for watching this video on Easy Access Tech. I hope this Kajabi review helped you to understand the pros and cons and its pricing so you can decide if it is the right choice or not for your business. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe this channel and like this video for more honest reviews and tutorials. Don't forget to use links from description to get these special offers, and they will be applied automatically by using the link. I will see you in the next video where we will explore more tools to help your business to grow smarter and faster.